Hi there, my name is Jodie Redon and I'm an estate agent with Leggett Immobilier. I'm here today to present you the stunning manoir in central Brittany in Plounavez-Moisdec with plenty of history for you to discover. The property consists of 3 buildings. Firstly, you have the 6-bedroom manoir. You have a second house which has already started to be renovated, which just needs to be finished off. The third property has enormous potential to create a gîte complex and hold events, for example wedding, receptions and plenty more. The manoir sits on 13 hectares of land, including woodland, pasture land and a beautiful walled-in garden. The property would make a fantastic gîte complex, perfect for event holding, or just a beautiful family home. The 6-bedroom manoir has already been renovated to keep the taste and character of the property. There is a beautiful flagstone floor in the lounge with a stunning fireplace and exposed beams throughout the property. If you think this property is for you, please don't hesitate to contact us on the link below and we'd be happy to send you further information. And hopefully I'll see you soon to show you this beautiful property. Thanks for watching, bye.